Hello, very good evening. With another cool tip regarding double-sided surface in Maya. Now we all know that whenever we work with Maya, we have a polygonal geometry which is basically visible from one side, and if we go inside that particular geometry, that geometry again has a surface visible from inside. However, that turns black because the normals of this geometry are pointing outwards. The normal basically define the direction of this geometry, and this is basically pointing outwards, indicating that you see a surface outside. From inside it is black. However, if you need to work inside an object, in this case for example a room, or inside a particular equipment, inside a box where you need to work with there, this becomes a very difficult thing. And if you need to move your camera in and out of an object, and you can see it's very difficult thing to control. Very quick and easy workaround for that is if you go into your attribute editor. So if you press Ctrl A and make sure your attribute editor is visible if it is not already there. Within this attribute editor, we go into render stats. Within the render stats, there are a bunch of options that allows us to control the render stats of your object. In our case, we're just going to use the double-sided. Now, by default, this double-sided is enabled for every single object in Maya. This is sometimes also referred to as backface culling in like 3D Max and other applications. In Maya, we just simply call it double-sided. So, by default, every object in Maya is a double-sided surface. So, if I select this particular hut, it's a double-sided. So, if I uncheck this, what happens now? This is the single-sided surface. How do I know? If I go inside it, basically you can see through and you can see the terrain behind that particular object. If I zoom out, I still get an object. But in my case, I want to see inside this so I can work inside the room. I can just click on the opposite button below the double-sided. As soon as I click the opposite button, now you can see this, that you have a room available. And you have a HUD available. When you select it, you get the segments, but you can actually see inside that room. As soon as you pan your camera around that room, basically you're getting transparent view. So if I go inside that room, basically it's a closed surface all around, but from an outside, it's a completely transparent. This becomes an extremely useful feature if you're working with objects that in which you actually need to look inside those objects, work with them, temper with them. Obviously, then you can change the double-sided off, so you get the side object from both the sides. So this is a very, very simple feature in your attribute editor under your render stats, double-sided. So if you're working in a room and you need to look inside that particular room, or you're looking into working an object, and you want to work inside out, basically double-sided is your thing. Now sometimes you need to work with opposite. For example, in these cases, I uncheck the double-sided. Now they are only single-sided, and I click on opposite. So now I can look inside these objects, or I just enable them. So this basically means this object is double-sided. If I create a new room, for example, if I'm working with a more simpler object, so here's an object available for me. So if I uncheck double-sided and click on opposite, now basically I have this object available from inside, and I can look inside this object and create and work around my room with that. So this is something that I usually do. Also, sometimes when I work with a room, I usually, for example, select a particular face. Either I delete it if I'm not using it, or I go into mesh and I just separate that or extract that face as a whole, or that as a wall as a separate thing. So now that wall is separate, and I'm basically working inside that particular room more easily and more conveniently, and we can use that. So this is Dr. Ishan Bhatti. Hopefully you like this tip. We will be working with more such tips, so do make sure you subscribe and like my channel. Hit that bell icon so you get notifications. Thank you very much. See you around. Fi Amanullah.